Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in Windows 11, do we have the same settings for the camera, the privacy of the camera, and a little tip on what is to maybe arrive soon. So, yeah, Windows 11 also has a set of privacy settings for the webcams and cameras. Once again, in Windows 11, nothing has changed in the possibility that a third-party app or a malware can use the webcams. So I think, some people that take it, that then never use the cameras and put a little sticker or tape over it to make sure. Well, I think it's not that bad of a prevention. That is a possibility if you do get malware mostly. So in Windows 11, if you right click on your Start button and go into the settings, you will of course have the privacy and security settings. And here you will have all of the settings, including app permissions, that is camera. You go to camera, and here you will have, of course, camera access. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps is going to use or not camera. Notice how they actually do not mention that when this is off, it could be bypassed compared to Windows 10. I don't know if they did a change that maybe it really prevents, but I doubt that this would be much of a difference. So don't take this switch, on-off switch, as being 100% reliable. I think there is a possibility of when cameras, can be accessed by third-party software, for example. So, what is actually been using the camera on systems? You will, of course, see the different options here of what is and what the requests are about getting the camera on. And here, there's recent activity that will tell you the requests that have been done to actually use the camera in the last 7 days also. So this is all of where the privacy settings are. And of course, there's camera device settings also that you can check out. But the privacy settings is where everything is happening. And this is where everything should be turned on or off. You can also choose which apps one by one are using the camera or not, and that is the access. And like I say, in Windows 10 it does tell you that these settings, even though on or off, might be bypassed. It doesn't say it in Windows 11, but I doubt that this cannot be bypassed by some apps. So just, even if you turn it off, that does add a privacy and security, concern that now it's off, so it can be used in general. But just in case, don't think that this isn't necessarily 100%. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.